There are so many ways of making sausages apart from only deep frying them. So sit back, relax as always, and take some tips from this video. So hi guys, welcome back. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Na kama umerudi tena, nasema asante sana. I appreciate your efforts. Don't forget to share my videos, comment, like, and yeah, give it a thumbs up. Have your pot on the heat and add some cooking oil. Let your cooking oil heat for like 2 to 3 minutes before you go ahead and add your ingredients. I first love browning my sausages before I cook them. So I went ahead and added my sausages on the hot cooking oil and let them brown. Make sure you keep turning them to avoid burning. So use a paper towel to absorb the excess oil. And for the ingredients today, I'm going to use some red onions, some spring onions, capsicum, and tomato puree. Use the same pot to fry your ingredients. You can see the red onions, the spring onions, and the capsicums. Cook until translucent. Sprinkle some salt to taste. After everything is cooked, go ahead and add your diced sausages. Mix everything together so that the sausages can absorb the flavor. Afterwards, add your tomato puree. You can use tomato paste if you have. Then mix everything together. Make sure everything is well combined. Then cover it for 5 to 10 minutes just to make sure the puree cooks so well. Go ahead and check your sausages, and by now my sausages are ready to be served. They're well cooked, and yes, garnish with some coriander. And just like that, we have our sausages. So yummy, delicious. Ooh. Ready to be served. Wow, I loved the results. So the sausages were yummy, so much delicious. Try the recipe at home and tell me on the comment section below. I served these with my smoothie and whoo, the taste was just heavenly. So try this at home and tell me on the comment section. As always, I'll be reading your comments. And until on my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye.